Yeah. What up, family? This is a Reclaim Karma and Extra Space Storage collaboration. You know how we do it. They wanted to come down to the man cave. Let go. Let go. Yeah.
Workshop. 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 Man cave. Workshop. 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 Welcome to the workshop. Where we chop up blocks. Got all type of wood, making some good. Man, the building don't stop. I got a table that rolls smooth like my 22s. Put my storage drop top so underneath I can park my job site tools. Drop a couple stacks on HVAC. You know I gotta stay cool. All white floors under my shoes. Aesthetically it pop like ooh. You ain't organized like me. Tools on the wall like me. Tools in drawers, behind doors. Man cave, eye candy in the workshop. 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 Workshop.
Our customers love me.
I love them back.
Shout out to hubby.
That's me.
Reno Baths and Kitchens.
Baths and kitchens.
They call us when it's ugly.
This has gotta go.
I pop in the workshop, tell Chris do this, and blow him a kiss.
Mwah.
You know I gotta check on him, so I can go check off my list. I do design, he say I'm fine. I told him he better, I'm wifey. We like Chip and Joanna, except it's Atlanta, and we might pull up in fresh Nikes. We build an extra space like boom, all in your face. Boom. Might be a man cave, but a woman runs this place. Ha.
Workshop. 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 I needed an extra space and escape from the rodent race. Or I could go kick it and chill, release the stress of the day today. I just let the music play. And all of that fade away. Some call it a man cave. I call it my sanctuary. Then we be back on the go. Renovations is all that we know. I'm looking through plans, making the plans, directing where this and that go. I know you feeling the flow. Seen it done better, unlikely. We like Chip and Joanna, except it's Atlanta. Yeah, we might pull up in fresh Nikes. Workshop. 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 Workshop.